Think of a person in your mind and let's see what are their energies towards you. This person thinks very highly of you, like very, very highly of you. I think they have had issues with, dealing with their responsibilities in life, dealing with life in general, and they were really struggling. And you somehow showed them a different path. You showed them how things don't have to be that tough, how they can handle things better if they manage things in a different way. So you basically showed them a different way, because of which they are really grateful, and because of which they are doing pretty well right now. I mean, I do see them being very focused, being able to handle their responsibilities really well, being disciplined. uh, Otherwise, उनकी एनर्जी कैसी थी, उनकी एनर्जी बहुत imbalanced energy thi, and they did not have a lot of stability in life. They they kept changing things, or they kept like moving from one thing to another. There's no stability, and they had too many things to handle, और ऐसा इंसान हैंडल भी नहीं कर पाता है, बिकॉज सिंस दे आर नॉट स्टेबल फ्रॉम विद इन, सिंस दे आर सो chaotic, उनसे हैंडल भी नहीं होती थी चीज़ें. But then, because of you, the way you have been to them, you have almost been like a mentor to them. Because of you, they have found this new path, and they are able to conduct themselves really well. They have learned the importance of discipline, responsibility, perseverance. They have learned all these things because of you. Otherwise वो एकदम ही stuck रह जाते हैं या रह जाती अपने energies में, and you sort of help them break through a very toxic cycle. They were stuck in this imbalanced energy, in this uncertainty, and in this unstable sort of a life. You help them break through that, which is why they view you so highly. They have a lot of respect for you.